Today we're going to be talking through the Dennison plan brought to you by Coventry Homes. Guys, my name is Keith Duble with Faith Family Home. We are going to dive into this plan right now. Now, this is 2,381 square feet, 4-bed, 3-bath on a 1-story. And check out the price. We're looking anywhere from $423 to about $461 as of the time that this video is made, but obviously that can be all over. Now, this does have a study, which is very sizable, and I think that you will really enjoy kind of all of the just square footage that this large study has to offer based on the price. Now, the price will vary depending on how you finish it with your lot premiums and your options and so forth, but it is an incredible option on a 50-foot lot. Now, this plan is built, this model is in Parkside on the River. Parkside on the River is loaded with amenities. There are so many amenities nearby. Now, there are 2 phases of amenities in this community, but it's also this neighborhood is abreast of a community park called Gary Park. It's a private entry with equestrian activities, pavilion, water feature, splash pad, parks, hike and bike trails, so much going on. And then there's access to the town square in Georgetown. So this community is also near a lot of wonderfully accessible, highways, roads, and grocery stores and all the like. But this is a great plan. A lot of square footage for your money in this plan here. So I'm going to take you into the owner suite momentarily, but you can see this just wide open plan. It's a really, really smart concept. Not a lot of bells and whistles or fluff in this particular model, but if you're trying to get something that is spacious and open on a single story, maybe you're upsizing, maybe you're downsizing and you're budget conscious. I mean, who today is not budget conscious? You really can't do much better. Now in Parkside on the River, the prices are going to be varying versus, San Marcos or some of the other communities that the Coventry folks are building in. But just be mindful that all of that's varying depending on where you want to go, what you want to build, and the finishes and so forth. Now, really not a lot of things left to be desired in this owner's bed, this owner's suite here. It's going to be a good size owner's bath. And then you have that lovely little sitting area by the window. And again, walk-in shower. It's a step down. They call it a mud set shower. You have your soaking tub. It's an oval garden style, soaking tub right next to your walk-in shower with your inset mud, which is great because it's very hard for shower water to leak out into the floor when you have a little tiny step down there like that. It's nice. Good size closet, not massive, but definitely checks all the boxes, I feel like, for a property this size. And, it's just a really smart concept. So the 4 bedrooms are going to allow you to do a lot in this plan. And then you have your study as well. So just a ton of things going on. Guys, I don't know if you have anybody looking to serve you, if you're thinking about maybe transitioning to the greater Austin area. Been doing this for 13 years. It's a huge blessing to serve our folks. We have over coming up on 200 5-star reviews on our various platforms. It's very hard to get 200 5-star reviews, and we are so proud of that. So we say it's myself, my wife. She actually stepped out of productivity. Now she helps me behind the scenes with our client events and all of our mailers and all the things that we do to stay on marketing. She's a huge asset to that end and lets me do all of this. And of course, I have a buyer's agent who helps me do all of the things for showings and all the things. So we are committed to serving our folks, and I'd love for you to get to meet the team. So if you don't have somebody coming in, we're an expert team, again, doing this for highly decorated, and we'd love to serve you as you're thinking about making your transition. Our whole slogan is Faith Family Home, and if that resonates with you, we'd love to be those folks who serve you in those many capacities, faith, family, and home. So we're going to head back out. Here is the laundry space, which is it's a good size. Right now they've got it kind of staged to be like I think they've got a pet sit. You got a little doggy bed sitting right there, but obviously that would be where your washer and dryer would go. A good size space here for all of your laundry needs and so forth. A little built-in shelving wall inside that little closet, and lots of space here for everything you need in your laundry. Half bath across the hall from that, lots of space here in this half bath as well. Full bath. I said half bath, pardon me. It's a full bath over here. That is your third full bath, and just services all your guests and so forth. And then you have your, we call them dueling bedrooms here in the front of the house when you come in. All real good size here. Nothing in this house that's, you're like, man, I wish I had this, or I wish I had that. I mean, for the price, this really is a home run. It's a great layout. So another full bath here across the hall from that, the split two double bedrooms in the front, the dueling bedrooms in the front. Now, I didn't open the closets, but when you open them, there's very good space in there. And I love the tray ceiling on the entrance that they put as a finish inside. And we're just going to walk out back. I did want you to see the back patio and see the options that you have there. And you'll notice how much light is let into the room by all the windows. You have those rectangular windows that are upper over the dining space. All of the they're fixed windows, and then of course your opening windows over here in the back of the house. They have a nice little patio, and then you walk around, and this sidewalk actually leads down to another model. You could check out the link to that walkthrough right here, and that's the Brookshire, which is right next to it at Parkside at the Reserve, and that's going to be in the 700s. It's a beautiful house. That model is absolutely stunning. You have to check it out. That model, by the way, next door, the Brookshire, it has a kids study upstairs. It has a owner's study, the adult study downstairs. And there's also a little Zoom nook, which is kind of cool. And that's over off the kitchen. It could be a recipe station or whatever you need it to be. And it's a lovely little place that you can kind of retreat away and have a window in front of you, let beautiful light in, and you can zoom away. So check out the Brookshire. You can check out that link just a moment ago. Guys, thanks for coming along with me on the tour of this Dennison plan by Coventry. It is a beautiful home. In just a moment, YouTube is going to make a couple of recommendations because it knows you better than you know yourself on videos that you would enjoy. Click on one of those for the channel. I'd love to have you come and check us out. And if you're looking to make a transition to the area, I would love to be a resource for you. It's all we do, and we absolutely love it. Look forward to chatting with you guys soon. Thanks for being here, guys, and I will see you guys on the next one.